waterfall hike. We're hiking to a waterfall. Avery's asleep, Finley's down here.
Hi!
Did somebody wake up? What is your most excited part about this?
Running!
Oh good, run, run, run! That's your favorite part too? Hey Reed, how you liking the moza?
So good, buttery.
What is it? Basically everybody wants to buy one wheel now, so one wheel, you're welcome. All right, vlog is uploaded, I'm going back to the beach. You know what I love about riding the one wheel? Is that I can think so clearly. I'm thinking about Vid Summit. Vid Summit is all week next week. Next week is gonna be crazy. I'm really glad, I'm really thankful for these 2 days of vacay before Vid Summit, because it's gonna be, it's gonna be amazing. I just think it's gonna be packed full of value. I'm really excited about it. Lake time, family. Also, fun fact, Vid Summit is the largest amount of people I've ever spoken to in a live setting. My talk at Vid Summit is entitled, "The Power of Creating a Movement," and I am amped about it. The thing that's really interesting about the No Small Creator movement and me speaking on it is that I kind of accidentally, I wasn't trying to make a movement per se when I made it. Here's a good example. When my buddy Chris Floyd was like, hey, you should make a Facebook group so we could all get together and chat about No Small Creator and encourage each other. I was like, nah. He ended up just making one. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to go back and kind of look at it to really dissect what happened and make it make sense and is it repeatable? I think that's the biggest question, is it repeatable? So I just told Rick that I let Reed have the final word in the vlog, but really the argument about friends was way longer than that. And Rick was like, so I don't even get to have a rebuttal in the vlog? I'm like, let's do it now.
I was put on trial and I was not there to defend myself. So I don't remember exactly what Reed was saying.
There by the water pipe. Can you grab some apples? Here, RJ.
2 graham crackers, full length, full entire Hershey's chocolate bar, stuck on by layer of peanut butter cup, 2 marshmallows.
1 peanut butter cup?
Only 2 marshmallows?
That's all I could get my hands on.
Only 2 marshmallows?
Only 2 marshmallows?
Yeah.
With a whole?
I was with you until 2 marshmallows, man.
That's all you could fit on the stick. I could have definitely done more.
4. You need at least 4.
Yeah, well, everybody was using the stick.
Make that man another one.
It would smush out too much. Too
No.
I would have gone 3.